Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to resolve the network error that arrives whenever you try to download something. For example, this is the software that I want to download, but as soon as I click download and I try to save it in downloads, click on save, it says failed or network error. Now I'm using Brave browser for it, but the same issue might appear on Chrome. So this solution will work for both. So let's fix it. First of all, on the search bar, we will write CMD, and here we will see the command prompt. Just right click and click on run as administrator and click yes. Afterwards, right here, ipconfig space / flush DNS. It should show this message: successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Afterward, write this. Hit enter. It will show this message: successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Now go to start menu and go to control panel. Go to network and internet and network and sharing center. Go to change adapter settings, and whatever Wi-Fi you are using, just right click on that and click on properties. Here you will see multiple options, but we are concerned only with the IPv4. Just select this and click on properties. Now by default it is set to automatically. I'll change only this one, the server address, to the manual. Click here on the second option and write 1.1.1.1.1, and here write 1. Go to the next field by pressing the right arrow key. 0, 0 and 1, and hit OK and close. Now just close this, and afterwards just restart your PC. And now that we have restarted the system, let's test again. Click on download. Save to the location. And now it's working fine. If it failed the first time, just try it again, because it will take some time to adopt the settings. Just try it again. And now you can see that it is downloading the software properly. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.